So guys, welcome to my kitchen. We are making chapati for today's recipe. So first of all, let me show you how we prepare our delicious chapati in my restaurant. We use carrots, sugar to mix the flour. So you can see here we are boiling water. We use it to make the dough with flour. This is the flour we use. Tempong gandom. This one is Malaysian language. So yes, this is the flour we use for chapati. So we are mixing the dough for the chapati. So you have to mix it very well. Try to make it become very smooth. So for the ingredients, we just added there's a carrot, sugar, and salt. In the dough, we add oil, vegetable oil. Okay, we have to add it. You see, we have to mix it together to become uniform. You can see it. After mixing it, you give it like 5 minutes. So I'm going to cover this rubber. Let it settle for 5 minutes. After rolling the dough, you have to split it to make it round like a small balls.